have this cute little lip balm which I got from Japan, and इसका एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि यहाँ से इसका एक छोटू सा एप्लीकेटर भी निकलता है, सो इट्स ऑलवेज इन माई बैग. इट्स एन इतर जो मैंने दुबई से लाया था, एंड इट smells amazing. That's it. These are like my go-to products. इससे ज़्यादा मेकअप मुझे आता भी नहीं है और मुझे करना पसंद भी नहीं है. Hi, this is Saloni Daini and I'm doing the What's in My Bag challenge with India Forums.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
So let's start. Okay, so lipstick. Then I have this cute little lip balm which I got from Japan, and इसका एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि यहाँ से इसका एक छोटू सा एप्लीकेटर भी निकलता है, सो इट्स ऑलवेज इन माई बैग. देन देर इज अनदर लिप ग्लॉस, सो देर आर लाइक 3 लिपस्टिक्स, एंड माई मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इट्स एन इतर जो मैंने दुबई से लाया था, एंड इट स्मेल्स अमेजिंग. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट थिंग्स. So that's it for this section. I have 3 sections in my bag. There is makeup and a blush. That's it. These are like my go-to products. इससे ज़्यादा makeup मुझे आता भी नहीं है और मुझे करना पसंद भी नहीं है. So this section only has that. And the last section has of course a brush, cash जो अभी मुझे दिवाली में मेरे relatives से मिली है, and medications because I am not that well, and another itar अगर एक मेरा ख़त्म हो जाए, ख़राब हो जाए या टूट जाए. And one of my favorite things is this. It's like a little matchstick which I got from a karaoke in Japan. So this was like that thank you gift जो मैंने कभी खोला नहीं है, but it's always in my bag to remind me that trip was such a beautiful thing that happened to me. And yeah, that's it. That's in my small bag.
What does your bag tell about you as a person?
Chaos. As you can see, nothing was organized in my bag. इतनी सी बैग में मैंने इतने सारी चीज़ें ऐसे भर के अभी मैं भागी हूँ. So chaos.
If you had to carry one thing from your bag to an island, what would it be?
One thing from this, I think the money.
Okay. Things that are of no use in your bag but are still there.
I think the matchstick and one more itar and like 3 lipsticks. तो मैं एक ही रख सकती हूँ. So yeah.
Okay. One thing you would like to give to your fans from your bag?
I would like to give my favorite lip balm.
Are you someone who has a bag fetish?
No, I'm not. I mean, I love carrying bags, but I love like different weird bags with weird outfits. Like I have like small, different, you know, caricatures of bags and like different. My mom makes a lot of miniature bags for me, so I like collecting bags from different places and different locations. But like I don't want those LV or Gucci, or I don't have that fetish.
Okay. According to you, your 3 most essential things in your bag are?
My lipstick, my money, and my perfume.
Okay.
And my medication, sorry.
Okay. Lastly, if you get a chance to invade someone's bag, who would it be?
Oh my god. My sister's bag, because she has so many interesting things in her bag and I'm not allowed to touch her bag. So my sister's bag for sure.
That's it, Saloni. Thank you so much.